What up, guys? This is G-Money1996, and I've returned to the Bridger Bubbles car wash in Bozeman, Montana, because they have just installed a new car wash here, and I decided to take it for a spin. So, let's pay up. Gonna do the Missouri wash for $12.
Please insert payment now. Please wait while you're Thank you. Please pull forward slowly into the road.
Let's see what we got here. No way. We got a Oasis Typhoon car wash. I've heard about these. We used to have one of these at the town pump by the mall, but they took it away. Come on. Oh. Alright. Let's see what this thing can do. Got 4 wash arms. Looks like one's going to the back. There's another one for the front and one for each side. Oh, and there's one big one up there. To be honest, I never thought we'd get a system like this again. But I was wrong. Has undercarriage. Looks like the dryers are the same. Oh, here comes rocker panels. For those of you curious, the previous car wash system that was here was a Water Wizard 2.0. But yeah, it looks like that thing decided to give up the ghost, I guess. Oh, here comes the rinse. Tri-foam. Pretty decent coating. Except for the sides here. Oh, lava shield. It's all blue all of a sudden. Some sort of wax. spot-free rinse, maybe? Huh, and that's it. Okay, here we go. Okay, that was the Oasis Typhoon at the Bridger Bubbles Car Wash, Bozeman, Montana. Please like, subscribe, comment, share if you like, and thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.